Greetings, fellow prisoners. Place is Zagreb, Croatia, Europe. Night, Friday to Saturday. Saturday night, actually, around midnight. So I don't know if it's 4th or 5th of January this year. I'm out to walk with my dog, and thank God that I don't go anywhere without camera. What is that sound? I don't have any idea, but as always, he's completely confused as I am. He's looking, nobody on the street, and that sound is what? Okay. I'm gonna probably figure out, but why some disturbance in the force. You cannot zoom in. It's not helpful that my dog pulled me, but I just have to do it. If this is a cloud, it's very strange looking one. And yeah, I want to set cloud, but before I went out to check forecast weather, I said +3 Celsius on AccuWeather, Google, blah blah, and floor, it's frozen. I almost break my leg 3 times. And I remember water, ice, whatever it's made when temperature is below 0, not 3 plus in Celsius. All my life was like that. So it's possible that water change temperature of freezing, or they again give us all wrong forecast. I noticed that somehow, check it out, those clouds are actually went up. Strange, real strange. That black one here covered up full. This is my last chance to recording the moon, because he'll down behind that building, and then tripod, no tripod, nothing. Maybe it's perfectly normal, but no way. I know. This is not normal by any standard. Something is in the air, dust, crystals, dawn. I got a million idea, but then not any proof. But I know that those are not normal clouds. Not even those. That got something with, I think, or human made. So this is red's barrier. Not aluminum is not red, but I don't know. Or it came from up, from space, because of that minimum or whatever it is. straight line is line of electricity, not in space. Really use better camera, but somehow it's stupid to buy new camera because those things are happening so fast that somehow it is not a wise investment. Yeah, this is it. All places here. Time is now. I don't know what to tell you because myself don't know what is this or what is cause of it. Like fire in Australia, maybe. Position of moon till X is somehow wrong. And yeah, one last thing, the complete paradox, this is our space observatory, so yeah, talking about right place, right time, huh? Anyhow, the dog is trying to go home because it's cold behind any man. Tomorrow I have to buy some gloves because my finger's gonna fall down. In this 10 minutes I recording that, and it's supposed to be 3 above 0. Yeah, maybe I'm old. This is the reason that I'm frozen, but somehow don't believe it. Anyhow, love you all. Peace on earth as is on heaven, on moon. Those straight lines, black one. I'm tilting. I'm shooting with from my hand without tripod. And just see that tilting. This is not me. My hands are shaky, but not like that. This is new moon. New reality moon. Or that big black one gonna swallow it or not. Somehow it's reddish color. Anyhow, dog wanna go home and I'm cold. Love you all. Peace.